Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Directv remote and you have an issue where it's either like unresponsive or maybe it's delayed or lagging when you want to go ahead and push like volume up, it'll like take like a few seconds, or maybe you want to put like a channel number in like 22, it'll be like 2 and then you have to wait and then 2. So basically it's lagging or just a really slow response. I'm going to get you guys up and running now with a very easy possible solution, and at least 50% of you guys will be up by the end of this video. Okay, so just follow along here. So first thing is this: what I want you to do is go ahead and pop the batteries out of your remote. Doesn't matter which Directv remote you have. Okay, now the first thing I want you to do is if you have this remote here, what I want you to do is press and hold the on button here. Just press and hold for 30 seconds. If you have a remote like this, what I want you to do is press the power and the on, both buttons, press and hold for 30 seconds, okay? Press and hold for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, then I want you to press every single button on here like crazy, of course with the battery out, okay? Even up here, the channel, up, down, up, down. You want to do this multiple times. The same one on here as well, okay? You want to go ahead and even use the slider, because what happens is a lot of times when you have, it's possible you have like water that got into here, lotion, dust, dirt, and if one button has like an issue, it can cause all kinds of havoc on the rest of the remote, or a different button, or it could just be the power button. So keep doing this, and also give it a couple bang here. And the same thing with this one, you're done going crazy with all the buttons. Give it a couple smacks there, and then go ahead and just only put the batteries in, okay? Don't put the plates on yet. Now go ahead and see if your remote is working. Now if it's still not working, then go ahead and take the batteries back out and do the same thing over again. Remember, this remote here, you have the on button here, press and hold for 30 seconds. If you have a remote like this, press both of them, the power button and on button. Press and hold for 30 seconds, hold it down, wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, then go crazy with all the buttons. Get it like unloose, unstuck, couple whacks. Remember, same thing with this one. You just want to go crazy, okay? Even the power buttons, you want to press in and out multiple times, okay? And give it a couple whacks. Now put your batteries back in and see if the remote is working. Now, if it's still not working, then I would try it 3, 4, 5, 6 more times, okay? Like I said, at least 50%, this should work for at least 50% of you guys, so we should see at least a 50% thumbs up, and at least a, well, at least a 50% thumbs up. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down so everybody can see, right? Good luck, guys.